welcome back to my another video. It's me Priscilla Benjamin. Today I'm sharing rich and flavorful Egg Lababdar recipe. If you're a fan of spicy food, then this is for you. You can have this with chapati or roti. So let's begin the recipe. For this recipe, in a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it heats up, then add 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, small piece of cinnamon stick and 1 black cardamom and a small piece of bay leaf, and roast it for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add 1 onion finely chopped and salt. Saute till it becomes light golden brown in color. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste and saute. Now I am adding spice powder, starting with half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder for nice color, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and saute till the raw smell goes. For this curry, let us make tomato puree. For that, in a mixie jar, add 2 tomatoes and 20 soaked cashew nuts. Grind it into a paste. Now it's ground. Add the puree into the curry and mix it well. Pour 2 cups of water and mix it again. Add 3 green chilies and close and cook it for 5 minutes. Now you can see oil has separated. At this point, remove the bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Add coriander leaf and crushed kasuri methi. Give it a good mix. You can add eggs in two ways. Either use boiled egg or add eggs directly into curry. Adding 4 eggs, leave little bit space if you are adding eggs directly. Now close and cook it for another 10 minutes in low flame. Look at this. Now it's ready. Switch off the flame. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. There you go. Creamy and delicious Egg Lababdar is ready to serve. Serve it hot and enjoy. I hope this video find helpful for you. If you like this video, then like and share to your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.